fixing it. Thankfully, it's only going to be $180 instead of $1,200, which was what we were quoted if he was going to have to replace the tire. My God, I couldn't even imagine. He's filling up the tire. The tire looks good. He's just whacking the heck out of it. Hope he doesn't see me and go, "Why is she filming?" It's an interesting way to do it. Poor guy. He had a lot of trouble. He couldn't get it jacked up, and it was just a real mess. But we've just been in here watching movies. Like nothing's wrong. In the cold, or cool AC. And it's hot as the dickens out there, and humid. Yeah, I can't believe that Ken Kanan handed this to me. That's the old one. Just shaved right off. Oh, can't see it. Crazy.